Both Jonah and the lawyer want to impose limits on God's love. As they said, the Ninevites and the Samaritans could never be loved by God. The lawyer asked this question to justify himself. He does not wish to expand love, but to ascertain the minimum required to fulfill the law. Jesus responds not with a legal definition, but a parable. At the end of the story, Jesus flips the question. It is not about who qualifies to be a neighbor. It is about how I choose to be a neighbor. The true neighbor is not defined by proximity, ethnicity, religion, or social status, but by compassion and action. The Samaritan noticed suffering and responded with mercy, disregarding who the victim was. This challenges us in profound ways. In the world divided by race, politics, religion, and ideology, Jesus invites us to expand our circle of concern. A neighbor includes the stranger, the forgotten, the marginalized, even those we avoid or fear. The measure of love lies not in sentiment but in service. As the rhyme goes, be the one who dares to care, who finds a neighbor everywhere. Let mercy flow in all you do. Go and love as God loves you.